Good morning students. Today we will be going for the second part of the chapter Food, where does it come from? We have already covered few topics like food, where does it come from, food and its importance in our daily life, ingredients, sources, types of organism on the basis of their food habits, herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, scavengers, parasites, method of sprouting. All these things we have covered, and I have also given you one activity for sprouting to do in your copy. Student, make one copy and in that copy you do the exercises and the homework which I give you. Now today the topic is decomposers and food chain. Decomposers, what are decomposers? Decomposers are the organisms that break down dead and decaying plants and animal matter, and they are bacteria and fungi. For example, bacteria and fungi are the organisms which break down dead and decaying plant and animal matter into simple inorganic substance. Next is food chain. Food chain, it shows how living organisms depend on each other for food. How one organism is dependent on another organism. This is showed in food chain. Food chain, as the word indicates, chain means one by one and it is connected to each other. Now, who eats whom? Food chain basically tells who eats whom. For example, grass is eaten by grasshopper. Grasshopper is eaten by eagle or any big animal. Eagle is eaten by some other big animal. So, in this way, food chain is the interconnected or interlinked thing. Now, food chain consists of producers and consumers. Producers are the plants. Plants means the green plants. Green plants are the producers which make food in the presence of chlorophyll, and that food is used by or consumed by other plants and animals also. Now consumers, there are basically three types of consumers: primary consumers, secondary consumers and tertiary consumers. Primary consumers is the first level consumer, secondary consumer is the second level consumer, and tertiary consumer is the third level consumer. Now food web. Food web is the network or interconnected food chains. It consists of interconnected food chains. One food chain is connected to the other food chain. As the word indicates, web means it is a kind of web. There are many food chains in the web. Children, we have many exercises also in this chapter. We have already covered different topics. What are the food items? What are the ingredients? What are the sources? Everything we have covered. Herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, all these things. So in this way we have done all the things in this chapter, and now we will be doing exercises in the next session. For today, your homework is define herbivore, carnivore, omnivore, food chain, food web, scavenger, parasite, producers and consumers. You have to do this homework in your copy and keep it with you. The other things, other exercises we will be doing in the next session. Thank you. Have a nice day.